Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to reset Grundig Dishwasher step-by-step guide to fix common problems. First, control panel reset, soft reset. Open the dishwasher door slightly to access the control panel if it has top mounted buttons. Now locate the start/cancel buttons and press and hold this button down firmly for 3 seconds. If your model displays a countdown, wait until it finishes. Example counting down 3, 2, 1, or until you hear a draining sound. The dishwasher will automatically drain any remaining water for about 2 minutes before stopping. Once the draining stops and the light resets, you can choose a new cycle. Second, full power reset, hard reset. Press the power button to turn the machine off. Now unplug the power cord from the wall outlet or switch off the dedicated circuit breaker in your home's fuse box. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the internal memory and capacitors to fully discharge. Now plug the unit back in or flip the circuit breaker back on. Turn the control panel back on and start a test cycle to ensure it works properly. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.